I trade the news? Should I not trade the news? Like every trader has traded news at one point or another. If you said that you didn't, that's a lie. Guess what? That shit said, oh my God. NFP and CPI. What's going on, gang, and welcome back to another video. I know y'all missed me. Unfortunately, I have been in the office a little bit more. I did tell y'all that I have a 9 to 5, but I am back. Today is Wednesday, April 2nd. We just had news at 8:30 for non-farm employment. So y'all already know what's gonna happen. It's 9 o'clock. I'm about to join the live VIP call, hop on these charts, and see if we can catch a setup. Stay tuned. Today was an L day, gang. I took 2 trades and I lost. I actually took the same trade twice and I lost both times on it. The market just was not working with me today, but it's all good. I am a little bummed out about the loss because my Apex account just reset today. So everybody knows, like, that first trade that you take on a challenge is so crucial. So super bummed that that first trade was an L, but all good. The main thing is that we live to trade another day. I do still have drawdown left over because today was only the first day that I traded on it. Lost a little over $1,200 on that trade, so hopefully we'll make it back up tomorrow. It is NFP week, so tomorrow possibly maybe my last trading day of the week. I personally do not trade NFP. There's a huge difference in trading the actual news events and then trading after the news comes out, after market opens, which is typically when I would be looking to take a trade if I do trade on NFP. So let's get into it because it is NFP week and I know a lot of people, should I trade the news? Should I not trade the news? Like, I personally do not trade news. Have I traded news? Absolutely. I feel like every trader has traded news at one point or another. If you said that you didn't, that's a lie. When you see that volume kick in on a news candle, like, it, as a new trader, that FOMO definitely gets the best of you. Everybody tries it. To me, trading news is a gamble. Even if you are right on a direction, there is no telling what a news candle can do. There's a lot of times where the candle will spike in one direction and then just immediately reverse on you and shoot in the complete opposite direction, and people get cooked. Trading news, let me tell you, I definitely have gotten cooked trading news. I've lost an account of my first small live account. I believe I lost trading news. Like, I saw that news candle and that volume kicked in and I just hopped in and it was pushing and I was doing good and I had my profits. I closed out with some profits and I saw that it kept on pushing. So of course that FOMO, I got right back in. So I got back in, it started pushing, and before I could close out those profits, guess what? That shit said right in the other direction, blew through my stop loss. I didn't even get a chance to close a trade. And like a lot of people know, the reason why so many traders switch from Forex to futures is because of the fact that the Forex brokers sometimes have some crazy slippage. And during news, oh my God. Like, let me tell you, my account got cooked. My stop loss got violated so bad, it didn't even matter that it was on there because it just blew through it so much and I got slipped so bad that it just cooked my account. So me personally, I do not trade the news. I refuse to trade the news. I would rather wait. Even if I'm confident in the direction of where it's going to go, I'm not partaking in the actual news event. I will wait until after the news comes out, after market opens, and then I'd be looking to take a trade maybe at market open at 9:30 so that when that volume kicks in, I'll be with it. And then if I'm right, I'll be on the right side of volume, and then I will benefit from it. But if I'm wrong, then obviously I'm going to take an L. But just like in regards to trading the news, I personally, it's not for me. I don't like to trade the news because, like I said, when that volume kicks in, it's so volatile. Even if you could be right on the direction, there's no telling if it's going to pull back first, how far it's going to pull back. I have seen people get cooked so bad, especially on NFP. Oh my God. NFP and CPI, definitely the worst two news events to trade if you want to trade news. And if you do want to trade the news, I advise that you trade like a very, very small risk, like something that you are definitely not going to miss if it does not go your way. Because at the end of the day, news can cook your account, and you don't want to be risking funds that you can't afford to lose, or accounts that are like paying your bills or a big source of your monthly income. You do not want to be risking those accounts trading news. It is not worth it. Trust me when I tell you, it is not worth it. Do not risk your accounts trading the news. Just wait until after the news comes out, wait till market opens, and then take your trades, because trades setups are like buses. There is going to be other setups. Even if you decide not to trade on the day that the news is coming out at all, that's totally fine, because guess what? Next week, there's going to be volume in the market. The market is going to react to the news that came out this week. So there's going to be plenty of setups next week. So don't risk your account on Friday on the news event trying to catch a white whale that you probably will not catch. I'm just going to be honest with you. And then next week, when everybody's eating and the markets is cooking up and giving out clean setups, you're going to miss out because you have no account, because you cooked it trying to catch some crazy move on NFP, knowing that you should not have even traded on NFP at all. So my advice, if you're going to trade on Friday, do not trade the news event. If you do trade the news event and go against my advice, use a very, very small risk, something that you are not going to miss, just to partake in it, see how it feels to be in a trade during the news event. Just get it out your system if you need to, but definitely do not risk your accounts on Friday. It is not worth it. Wait till market open, take a trade if that's what you want to do, but do not risk your accounts trading that news event. I personally advise not to trade the news. I personally actually know people who do kind of partake in the news events, but not like they're going to hop in a trade right before the news event comes. Like I have been in trades from like the day before the news comes out, and I held the trade through the news event. And then the news gave me the volume to hit my TP. I personally, if I'm already in a trade and it hasn't hit my TP yet, I'm going to hold it through the news event. It just really depends on what it is. Like CPI, I'm probably going to close my trade before the news event comes, but it depends on how far I'm in profit. Maybe I might just put my stop loss in profit so that I won't lose. Or I would at least close out with a little bit of profit if, the news event doesn't go my way. But I personally, don't trade the news event. Like, I'm not hopping in a trade right before the news event happens. So let me know down in the comments, what's your preference? Do you trade news? Do you not trade news? And other than that, I'll see you guys in the next one.